The National Weather Service has detected an unusual green fog spreading rapidly across the region. The origin of this phenomenon is currently unknown, but reports suggest that those who enter the fog experience uncontrollable dancing, a sudden craving for corned beef and cabbage, and, in some cases, spontaneous Irish accent development. Authorities are advising residents to remain indoors and avoid any suspicious-looking rainbows. Multiple reports indicate that small mischievous figures, described as leprechauns, have been spotted across the city, causing disruptions and demanding gold. If approached, do not engage, and secure all pots of gold immediately. For your safety, please refrain from consuming any mysterious green beverages that may enhance the effects of the fog. Local authorities are working with experts in folklore and meteorology to determine the cause of this event.